time for Big Board Sports with Eric Sullivan.
All right, the fall isn't just for football. We're also in the heart of high school volleyball season, which means Troop senior Josie Ross is working hard with her teammates, but she's used to that. CBS 19's Jeff Schaefer caught up with this talented Lady Tiger today in Troop.
To say Troop senior Josie Ross stays busy would be an understatement. She plays volleyball, basketball, and softball for the Tigers and says it's tough to pick a favorite sport.
When everybody asks, I always tell them that's the hardest question because I like to play everything. I don't know. Volleyball is probably the most fun. Everybody that's out there has to contribute each play that there is. Everybody has to do their job on that, and then it's all coming together.
Josie doesn't just play multiple sports, she stars in them, and during her junior year was an all-state selection in both volleyball and softball.
It wasn't anything I'd expected at all, because when I watch other people who are on those, I don't see myself at their standards.
It shows how incredible of an athlete she is to be able to do all three sports and to excel in them and to excel in the measure of all state and two sports it's amazing.
In every sport that she does, that's the go-to girl.
Josie has already left her own mark on Troop, and she is also following in the footsteps of three older siblings who all played for the Tigers, including her sister Jana, who now serves as Josie's coach on the basketball court.
It's fun to be there and watch her and get to share that experience with her and knowing what it's been like, and I think that experience with me being so recent is beneficial to me in my coaching as well. It's a very neat experience that I wouldn't trade for anything.
And all of Josie's coaches can agree the senior's biggest strength is her work ethic.
She always wants to be better. That's kind of the competitive spirit that our parents have instilled in us.
She's a committed athlete and does over and beyond what's expected of her.
She's one of those that you don't have to say you need to be pushing a little bit harder. She's going to push a little bit harder as well as push her teammates. She's a natural leader.
In Troop, Jeff Schaefer, CBS 19 Sports.
All right, thank you, Jeff, and good luck to Josie the rest of the volleyball season.